So now we're gonna head up to the house and get that tedder off the trailer that I bought yesterday, put some grease in it, make sure it works okay. We're gonna put that on the TYM 5835, the open station tractor. And then we're gonna come back down here on both sides of the creek and start tethering until it gets dark. I guess before we hook this up, I will check the gearbox. See if there's any oil in there. That's way too small. Better stick me a Q-tip down in there, see if there's any oil on it. This may be dry. Looks like there may be some at the very bottom. Yep, there's oil in it, and it doesn't look too bad. That surprised me right there. I figured it was dry. Good deal. I am going to use another PTO shaft though. The one that came with this is seized, and I don't want to fool with it right now, so I got a brand new one I've not used yet. We'll throw that on here, and hopefully it's the right size and does not need cut, but I think it'll be okay. So the oil seems okay, but after this round of cutting hay, I'll probably drain that out and put some new in it. I'm also going to come over here and put some grease in both of those fittings right there. Got one on both sides. Probably put a little bit of grease on that shaft. And here's the new PTO shaft we're going to use. So now all we got to do is set this up to the tractor, throw some grease in it, and we'll be back in the field. it.